Hey guys, welcome to Western New York weather today. We're going to start with radar. We got some thunderstorms, just embedded chances because of today's high temperatures. High temperatures are creating stability, it's creating some thunderstorm cells, southern and just east of the Buffalo radar. We got some heat advisories issued by Birmingham over here. Uh, Index value is up to 95. Nothing. It's only for today. This heat will go away eventually. If we go to our the Western National Weather Service office for Buffalo, we could see those thunderstorms and just clouds. The weather story for today is gonna be high, upper 80s, lower 90s. Just it's really hot temperatures, and Buffalo Weather Service also sees a below average temperature that we will be talking about later down in the video. There is the hazardous outlook for today. It's just gonna be a little bit hotter, and they're gonna talk about isolated flash flood threat Friday afternoon to evening for Erie, Genesee, Wyoming, Chautauqua, Cattaraugus, and Allegheny counties will be impacted by some thunderstorms. Isolated flash flood event Friday evening and just Friday. Looking at this, chances of lightning most of the week. Monday there's only for Watertown and northern central New York. Small chances near the PA border. Some thunderstorm chances central. Excessive rainfall, a little marginal here. There's more widespread marginal. There isn't even a slight risk for next couple days for excessive rainfall. There's some heat. It's going to be hotter today, tomorrow, and it's going to cool right down. There's a chance for like more stronger winds. These are not thunderstorm winds. These are different. These will be like just like a windstorm. Winds could be a little bit stronger. There's a not a great swimming risk, which is a moderate risk in this. There's not great swimming conditions on Lake Erie, and marine hazard indicating there might be a chance for thunderstorms right off the lake here. Let's look at the models. Let's start 3 hours out. Just rain and thunderstorms. Heavier rain possible at hour 30. We could see this 33 and 36, just heavy rain. And just heavy rain. Nothing strong or severe about these, just heavy rain. And it's gonna be quiet. I mean, you may have like a cell here that might go through, and this looks like it broken up in there. And now you have some light rain and get this low here that could be subtropical at the time, and just some rain and thunderstorms. Let's go to GFS model. Whoa, that's concerning. Got some rain, thunderstorms, heavier rain, too. Nothing. Just quiet weather, nothing to be concerned of. And I don't trust this. 975? Yeah, no. CMC. got some thunderstorms, heavier rain, and this is gonna be quiet. This has this gonna hit Florida. It looks like there's could be like a tropical system hitting Florida Panhandle to this in the Gulf. Gulf is a very dangerous place if if it gets warm. Water could indicate some intense rapidification. And this one looks like it's gonna go over land. That's gonna go. Icon should be ready. Yeah, icon. Some rain and thunderstorms chances, and yeah, it's gonna hit as a tropical system, like a tropical storm or depression. Then it's gonna strengthen up around the Carolinas, Georgia. It's not great. Let's get back to Western New York weather. There's a high pressure system, but there is still gonna be rain chances today with the heat and stuff. Day 2, there's some heavy rains near the Atlantic coast, near Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York, some in the Ohio Valley, and just rained all 3 days. Weather Prediction Center issued a marginal risk at the border of New York and Pennsylvania of excessive rainfall that can produce flash flooding. Day 2, we're in most of the Western New York office is under the marginal flooding risk. I could see a slight upgrade could be possible for at least 15% for the Western New York area. Could produce some flash flood warnings for Friday as the hazardous outlook issued. And there are some parts, this is not really affecting most of the Western New York area, but marginal blobs everywhere, and this could be from that tropical system we're seeing. Heat, let's look at the heat index. Got 80s and 90s. Then it's going to cool down to 70s, 80s, maybe some 90s, mid-state. It's going to cool down to 70s, 80s. Then it comes back up to 80s, 90s. So, yeah. Look at the temperature outlook. We're actually looking to more likely below. We're around that 50-60% range, maybe 60-70, but just below average is be a lot cooler to take us off that the heat we're experiencing now. Then below average rainfall chances. It's leaning below. It's near normal conditions, but it's leaning below, so it's like 30 to 40% chance. And Climate Prediction Center's 18 to 14 hazards weather outlook temperature. There's a slight risk. It went way down from that high to the slight risk in Texas and stuff. Precipitation, got some blobs, nothing for the Western New York area to be concerned about with anything. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe to Western New York Weather, as I do post videos daily. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.